Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup look inspired by like the Caribbean, like something tropical, you know? For those of you guys that do not know me, my name is Crystal Marie and my family is from the Caribbean. We are from Cuba and I also happen to live in Miami, so I'm very familiar with tropical. And I'm also doing this makeup look with this palette right here. This is the Alamar Cosmetics palette and it is gorgeous, so I can't wait to play with it. And this is the first time that I've been filming with my camera in a long time, since I've been filming here in my room, which by the way I'm gonna put a little bit of like decoration or something back there. I've been meaning to put this like painting that I have, but it's the first time I've been filming with my camera in a long time. I've been using my phone lately, but now we are back with the camera. So let's jump into the makeup look. So the first thing we're gonna do is prime our skin. I'm using the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. I use this in my dollar makeup look video, which I'll put up here if you guys wanna see it. This was one of the primers that I used. It is very watery and I feel like it blurs like a teeny bit. I feel like it doesn't blur any crazy amount. So just keep that in mind. However, it is $1 US. Come on. If you guys haven't noticed, the brows are already on. I use my Benefit Brow Pomade, which is my absolute love. I use number 4 in case you guys are curious. But for foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two right here. This is my fave combination. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in 210 and Matte and Poreless in 120. I put too much. I'm like not tanned. I can't be putting that much. Can't be putting that much. I'm gonna look orange. Hello? Oh, there she is. I was like, okay, guess I have to get a new bottle. You know, in Europe, this comes in like a squeeze tube, and I'm like, why does Europe get everything? I feel like ours is just such a mission to be in that like thing. Beep, 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 beep. I got some on my brow. If you guys are into saving money, you should, like moi, you should check out that video for real, because I basically do my whole face with all that makeup. That's literally $1. Every single thing is $1, and I'll let you know what's good and what isn't so good, because some of those things, it was a poquitico not good. Just putting a little bit of the excess foundation on my eyelids. I had carved out my eyelids with concealer, but I just want to put a little bit more because I have like really purple red eyelids. I have that sick look all the time. It's like sick chic all the time. It's like always like really red all around here. So putting concealer and foundation over that helps cover it. You see my little baby sleeping in there. I love the way this foundation combination feels. If you haven't tried mixing the Dewy and Smooth with the Matte and Poreless, it is life-changing. Like you need to go out right now and buy yourself that combo. Use my code KMarie for a 10% discount at Target. Just kidding. I wish. Shit, I would even take a Walmart affiliate code. What? Ugh. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Sephora Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer. This is one of my faves. Like, guys, you have to go out and give this a whirl because it is so good, and you use the tiniest amount and you get such insane coverage. It's like Tarte Shape Tape Hoop. Like, who is she? I'm gonna concentrate it in this inner corner, since that is where I tend to get all my like weird bluish purplish things. So I'm gonna put a little bit more up here because that foundation did absolutely nothing. I'm grabbing that same sponge and I'm gonna just start blending it out. I'm gonna just go with like a really quick back and forth motion so it can all just blend together. Oh, and wait, I should probably tell you what color I have in case you're wondering. Ginger. Number 4, ginger. You know what I need? I need Fenty Beauty to come out with a nice liquid concealer. Like, I need Fenty Beauty to come for Tarte Shape Tape's ass. That's what I need. A really nice, like, lightweight, like, full coverage, dark circles who, lack of sleep who, concealer. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's what the world needs. Okay, I had to put my hair back because it was just, it was doing things. So I'm gonna grab my Rimmel Stay Matte that is literally $3. I'm gonna just kind of lightly go all over the areas that I want to set, which is basically everywhere. I want to just set the whole face today. I want it to be like a nice matte, but like not an uncomfortable matte, and this makes your face a not uncomfortable matte. I'm gonna get my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm getting this Eco Tools, I think this is a bronzer brush or like a powder brush, and I'm just going to bronze the perimeters of my face. Just something nice and light. I feel like you can't do a tropical look and not look bronzy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have to be bronzed. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. I'm like, and I'm putting it under my eyes just to kind of brighten the under eyes, since I'm gonna go in with some pretty heavy colors. And I think we're good to go and move on to the eyeshadow. I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's see. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics. It's Reina del Caribe Volume 1 palette. And oh my god. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Like, look at this, guys. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous shades. Like, look at that. Oh. Oh my god. So the first shade I'm going to go into is Coco Taxi. Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna like just start buffing it into my crease. Wow, this blends out like really nice and very easy. It said it's made here in Miami. Like, where's did she find this manufacturer with this like golden product? Oh, come on, that is so beautiful. Like, just to wear that like alone. Okay, and going back in with a second round. Just continuing to build up that color, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Your arm is literally gonna fall off, but that is okay because you're gonna have blended eyeshadow. The next color we're gonna go into is this one right here. This is Tropico. And then we're gonna start depositing that color right here onto the eyelid, just tapping it on first. We want all the color to, well, at least most of the color to just come off the brush, and then we're gonna go in and start blending it very lightly. You don't want to bring it up too high. And then after you've been blending that in for a bit, you want to start bringing it toward the inner portion of the crease, just kind of pulling it in little by little. At first you're not gonna see like a whole lot, but as you go building the color, you'll start seeing that it goes building up there. We just want it a little warmer. Now I'm gonna get a clean blending brush, and I'm going to make sure those edges are blended out. I love doing that, going in with a clean blending brush. I feel like it kind of just helps fix any little mistakes we got, and just makes sure, you know, to kind of blend out anything you might have missed, because I can't tell you how many times I've had some little harshies. I'm like sitting here looking like, what do I want to do to my lower lash line? And I am just okay, so in the lower lash line, I'm gonna get this guy right here. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I feel like I'm just gonna sound like, oh my god, this is so beautiful the entire time. This is gorgeous. Okay, this is turning out so gorgeous. I'm just like shooky. So the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna get this color right here. This is El Malecón. Like, you can't really tell because my camera's like not focusing. There it is. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful like pewter gold color. I'm not doing it like a super precise cut crease. Obviously I'm just using kind of like a shadow brush. I just wanted it kind of just concentrated in that area, but not like carved or anything crazy. This is so pigmented. Like, I'm like legit shook. I'm going into La Costa, which is the color right next to it, and I'm gonna just kind of pack it on here. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm like just using every damn color in the palette. Like, right now I look crazy. Okay, now to kind of wrap up the look, the outer corner, I'm gonna deepen it. I'm going into these two colors right here. Yes, I'm going to mix it. I'm using every every color in the palette. I'm gonna start packing that color on right here. And just concentrate the blend on the outer corner. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm gonna do a Big Mama snatchy wing. This is the Pretty Vulgar Blacklist gel eyeliner. This is like super black, and I'm using the MAC 266. I really like this for doing winged eyeliners. This used to be my brush back in the day. Like, I used to use this all the time with MAC's gel eyeliner to snatch me a little wing. Haven't done it in a hot minute. Oh, that's beautiful. My God, it just all tied in together. It looks so good now. I'll come into the other eye. I'm gonna set the face with my Milani Make It Last. I love how I always have to still look at the bottle to see the name. Like, I use this literally every day. I like to set my face sometimes like in between. Like, I just choose like random times to set my face. Sometimes just before lashes, before mascara, so nothing smears. Sometimes I do it like literally right after I put foundation, before I put powder. Like, I don't know. Like, I have my moments. Like, I totally switch it around. I think it's really good to set your face like in between, because it helps everything just like, you know what I'm saying? For lashes, I'm gonna be using Lilly lashes in the style Miami. Oh, these lashes are so gorgeous. The lashes still look a little wet. Since it has like a thicker lash band, I had to put more glue, you can tell. But these are beautiful lashes. Like, this isn't the like original Lilly lashes, I think, because I see a little bit of a difference in, like, I don't know, like they look wispier, the other ones, the ones that are 30 bucks. But these are just as cutie. They're so pretty. Okay, I'm not doing that no more. I saw that Lilly does that and I'm like, nah, not doing that. For highlighter, I'm using this baby right here from Shop Miss A. This is the color Snap. I like it. I feel like it's not like overbearing. It's pretty and it looks like it's coming like from the skin. That's that glow that you hear everybody say that it's glowing from within. Like, that's the type of glow I'm talking about. It literally just looks like it's coming from the inside of your skin. It's a little bit like rough, but like you gotta just chew it and it just turns out so beautiful. For the lips, I'm super excited to use this. This is from the Aaliyah and MAC collection. This is Try Again. It's like my favorite types of nudes, that it has like that cool undertone. Should we leave this just like this? Or should we add like a little, you know? You can add like a little gloss if you want to. I was gonna add, where is it? A little bit of like gold foiled glittery gloss over it, but I'm loving it just like this, matte and pretty. So yes, my little babies, we have reached the end. This is the makeup look that I created using the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette volume 1. It is beautiful. I think this, like, it's just such a gorgeous, tropical, beautiful, summery makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!